Good morning, traders. Today is December 17th. It's a Thursday, and I just want to review my three trades I had today. First trade was in Len, about 43 seconds after the open, and last trade was A out at 6 minutes and 29 seconds after the open. So pretty good day at $876 and a penny after just 6.5 minutes trading. So awesome day. Just want to review my trades, and if you're new to the channel, TrueTrader.net is where I learned to trade and also use their scanner and chat room. So all these trades are based off of their system and off of their alerts, whether that be from their three different alert systems or their chat room. So in this case, these all came pretty much from the alert. And so I just want to review Len first. It's the first trade I took this morning. And this is TradingView I'm using for my charts. I'm going to kind of review the trades. I can replay the trade in real time, which is really cool. So let me do that. I'll start it at the open. So at the open, we can see this, and I can kind of advance forward minute by minute. So this is right at the open. We can see Len spiked up there with a topping tail. At this point, it's about 30 seconds into the open, and I saw that opportunity, so I went short here at around 79.19, and then it started working out for me. And I'm tending to try to add to my positions as they work out, and not add to average down my trade. So it's a new kind of strategy I'm working with. This one particularly worked out well, or I took more. And then, so if we go to the next second, or the next minute, it spiked down. I fortunately didn't have any sell orders there because it just happened so quick. Normally I get out at around VWAP, which it did hit. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to take out until maybe another minute later. So towards the end of this candle, which was at 2 exits at 30 and 25. I just wasn't liking the price action. After my first exit, I was going to hold on for a little bit longer. I think he would come back down to this moving average. But as you can see, I'm glad I got out because it just skyrocketed back up. So yeah, that one worked out great. So let me stop that. And then the next trade was NVTA. But actually in both these trades at the same time. Kind of getting better at managing multiple trades as time goes on. But this one was a long, so I could show you what that looks like. Again, if I replay. So let me hit the replay button. Start it from the open. With the open, we had it looking like this. And then I saw it get into my levels of interest. It spiked down really quick. I don't think I could have caught that in the first minute, especially me being in Len at the time. But it got in at 45.84, right towards the bottom, which was awesome. And then immediately spiked back up. I wasn't able to add on this one, I don't believe. I just got in for 300 shares. 1 second. And then if we forward this, I quickly got out of Len for a nice profit as it moved up to my target. Then a little later on the day, I went in for, not much later, just 4 minutes later, AUOT. This one, this one I probably shouldn't have taken. The spread was pretty big, and you can see this one's pretty light in volume. In the morning, the volume was okay. It was, I'd say, just above what I considered valid, especially in this third or fourth minute. But you can see how spready and light volume this is. It's probably a low float stock. So this was a little risky, especially taking 1,000 shares. What had happened was I took 1,000 shares, and then if I do the replay feature, start at the open. So advance forward. So right about here's where I got in. And it started working out in that minute, but and if you were here live for this, it was really struggling. and there wasn't a lot of volume or movement. I saw the volume drop down pretty much, and I was a little worried it could continue going down. So I lightened my size by half. So I took 500 out, about break even. Actually, for like a gain of like $20. So took a little bit out there, and I was going to stop out below this low, but it worked out and it kept on going up. It met my target, which was VWAP again, which is orange line, and I got out that one. So that was my last trade for the day, done in 6.5 minutes. Really lovely setups. Again, hindsight, I probably wouldn't have taken AUOT, but I was feeling kind of ballsy, so I went for it. Yeah. All right. Well, thank you very much for reviewing. If you are interested in getting a True Trader or subscribing to their service, I have a review video at the bottom in the comment section and the description of the video, and I'll put a card up here in the top right. Thank you and have a great day.